Get down from that chair, you're in big trouble.
Hey, stop, hold it right there. You put that ice cream in your mouth, and you are in very, very big trouble. Don't you dare do any word beyond that. Put it there, right? I am not going to say it again. I am not going to say it again. Don't you kiss me. You are a slow right, I'll tell you right now.
I want to buy real makeup.
Oh, you got.